back is my 10mm socket. Hey everyone, Roger here from ASE and Experts. Tool storage is very important. Zion, what do you think? Zion, what do you think of tool storage? Well, this just happens to be my almost everything drawer, and I feel like it's time to get organized. In an effort to get organized, I picked up this 6-piece tool organizer, Aiuitio. I really have no idea if I said that right. Dang, I didn't know I had 2 of these. So here's my thought if you're setting this up. All right, so I have a deep socket here. You want to make sure that you have good clearance. So you can see how nice this fits. You can see that the numbers are easy to read. So when you have to grab a 16 quick, you know it's there and you know you can grab it. Material is made out of ABS plastic, so it's going to be oil and gas resistant. I have a lot of work to do to get this set up, but I just want to mention a couple of things real quick. If you're a flat rate technician, knowing where your tools are is going to be making you money. Not knowing where your tools are or losing a tool is a way to, it's going to make you not efficient and you're going to lose some money. You know what I like about this too, if you are dealing with SAE standard and metric, they are color coded, so you have red for SAE and the black for the metric. Man, the only downfall to this is I'm gonna realize that I don't have a full set of deep sockets. I'm gonna need to go buy some more tools. You know, getting organized is pretty fun sometimes. Something to note, you do need about a 4-inch clearance on this set. So you wanna make sure that your toolbox is gonna accommodate this. You can see right here, I got the 4-inch clearance. All right, again, tool organization. You have to have at least a 38.5-inch drawer to fit both of these side by side when you have the 1/2-inch sockets if you're going to use SAE and metric together. Now, for me, I really only deal with metric, so this one here is kind of extra. So one thing I like to do when I'm setting up my drawer for quick use, I want to have likes together. So I'm going to put all of my 1/2-inch adapters with my 1/2-inch. I'm going to put all my 3/8 together and all my 1/4-inch together, just so that I know if I need to grab a 1/2-inch, I have all of the extensions close by. One of these days I'm going to actually fix the Z3. I actually have the head over here, and I got a lot of videos to come on how I'm going to be repairing the Z3. We're going to do a valve job and cylinder head gasket, and we're rebuilding this and going to be getting her back on the road. So make sure to join me for that. Please remember to like and subscribe to ASE and Experts YouTube channel. This tool organizer is going to help you organize your toolbox. You're going to save space. You're going to save money because you'll be able to keep track of everything. And you can grab the sockets you need nice and quick. This is a good way to get organized, to figure out what I need. See how these look. 10, 11. Time to get rid of this stupid holder from these Pittsburgh tools, which I've had some good luck with these Harbor Freight tools. It's a nice way to save some money for your home set. Yeah, that looks good. All right, now to 3/8. There we go, not bad. All right, I'm just curious. I mean, this plastic does look pretty robust. Zion, what do you think? Should we give it a shot? One more, Z, right? What do you think? All right. Definitely durable. All right, let's do this test too. Ready? Ouch. Okay, so we got some discoloration on the bottom when I really flexed it far, but it did not break. So that's pretty sturdy. That's very robust. You're not going to be bending it as far as I did when you're just taking sockets out. I threw this on the ground. It did not crack. Definitely a good product. Now I did this on the SAE set because I mostly deal with metric. All right, before I go in the toolbox, let's just check out a few more things. All right, so if you take a look, everything's labeled. I need a 14, I need a 13, I need a 10. It's a quick grab. You're ready to go. Now look at this. So if I push on them, you're moving your drawers in and out, right, to try to get some tools. It has an extended base, which looks pretty awesome, and it keeps it from tipping. Wow, so if you have any oil on your sockets too, it has this raised edge. It's going to drip and get caught. You just take the sockets off and clean that up. Sturdy, well-built, inexpensive. This is gonna run you only about $30 on, of course, Amazon. Now I am an Amazon affiliate, so I get a wee commission. It's very small, but I'm always gonna give you a straight up honest critique of what I think of these tools. All right, let's get them in the toolbox. You know, carrying these over to the toolbox, I realized that there's a little spot on it that you could actually hook and hang them on the wall. So that's pretty vertical right there. I mean, if you had them on your wall, I mean, it would save space in your toolbox. And it's just another option depending on how you have your toolbox in your garage set up. But I mean, that's pretty good. I like that. And I like the stability on the base. All right, look at that. There we go. That is perfect. That is so much better than the disaster I had. I can quickly grab whatever I want, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch. I'm realizing I need some more sockets to complete my collection at home. You know, I usually bring sockets from work, but you know what? Now that I realize I'm missing all these other sockets, might be time to invest in some more tools. So already this is what I've eliminated. So all of that was taking up space, and now I'm ready to rock and roll. If you've been following my channel, I do have that Z3. This is my cylinder head. I did get the head machined, and I'm going to be doing a complete valve job, so I'm going to have a video on that. Obviously, we're going to have this head installed and get the Z3 up and running in future video. Now, I really got to work on some lighting. I think I'm going to order a light. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Really happy with that socket organizer. I'll put a link up in the corner or in the description box if you want to check them out. Now I need to find a way to organize my leftover organizers.